Hey guys, this is Jason coming at you this evening. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Excited to make this video here for you this evening. Found something that you are going to love without a shadow of a doubt. I've had a lot of requests for this video for the past few days. I sent it out to my list that I was making this video today, and here it is. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, this little video on the brand new tool that I just found out about called the EN Power Tool Submitter. This really is something that's going to save you a lot of time. You know, one of the biggest issues that new people have, and people that have been here a while like I have, is that they don't know what to blog about. They don't know how to blog. They don't know what to blog about. They don't know how to do it. They're confused and concerned they're not going to write about the right things. This solves that. Not only does it solve that, it also gives you the ability to do it quickly. Okay, so you don't have to sit at your computer and think about what you want to write on. All you have to think of is 2 keywords. So we're going to actually go into it. So this is a huge problem solver that has worked amazingly since I've had it over the last few days, and cheap as all get out. So we're going to go into exactly how this works, guys. The keywords, and this is the most important part, whatever keywords you put in here, this is going to go and search a database that has blogs that have been written by real people. That's very, very important to understand. So you can put in whatever keywords that you want to put in. Again, I like personal development, so I'm going to put that in. Spelled it right? Cool beans. All right, keyword number 2, you can put in, again, whatever you want to put in. I'm going to put in business leadership. I like personal development and I love leadership, especially in business. So you can also put in the tags for the blog post. You can put in whatever you want to on this, on these taglines. And I recommend doing that. You do a max of 10 tag words in here. I'm not going to do it because of the time factor on this video, but definitely put that in when you use the tool. So after that, you want to just select a category. I'm going to go down here and you can see there's a whole bunch of categories. The categories on this are endless. You can write about everything from golf up to gardening, furniture. Personally, I'm going to go into the business leadership area. So like I said, we have the personal development in here for keyword number 1. Have keyword number 2 is business leadership. And we're going to leave the tags, like I said, empty for right now. So business leadership is our category, and start auto posting. That is what we're going to do now. So this will take the first step in this is it's going to go into your license. And obviously this is a licensed piece of software. So it's going to go ahead and get that information first on your license. So it's going to go and look at the controlling license code. It's going to make sure that all your license and all of your stuff of that nature is good. At that point, then it will go into starting to get your keywords, getting your information that you want after it says your license is okay right here. It's going to check for upgrades first, of course, because you want to make sure that you have the latest software as far as that goes. And by the way, this is not my software. I just found it and I'm way excited about it. So I am bringing it out to you, to my team, and to my my loyal followers on the list. So I'm excited to do that. Again, this will take, usually, depending on the on the time frame as far as when you're doing this, whether it's in the morning, afternoon, or night, because usually in the morning or afternoon the internet speed's a little bit better because everyone's not on there. But I'm doing this video here for you in the evening time, so it's going to check for the upgrades. Let me just tell you a couple of things that I actually really like about the software. Not only can you write your blog by putting in 2 keywords, which is pretty awesome, pretty amazing. You can also go through and not have to really be concerned anymore about what you're going to write about. And I want to really make this very, very clear. This system or this software is not for specific blogs. So if you want a specific blog on growing roses, or whatever your passion is in life, and maybe it is growing roses, make sure that you write your own blog for that. Okay, this is for when you are busy, you're going 16 hours a day, you don't know which way to turn, you don't have time to sit down for a half an hour, write a blog. You don't have time to go through the information. By the way, it's preparing the article now, as you see there on the screen. You don't have time to go through the information, so this is a time saver. I'm not saying that you should do this all the time. I'm saying that you can do this in conjunction with what you're doing in your blogging. I'd rather see you go, and especially for people on my team, I'm talking directly to you, I'd rather see you use this tool to put up a blog every single day. And by the way, you can put up 2 or 3 blogs every single day with this if you want to. I'd rather see you put up a blog with this tool than not put up a blog at all. Okay? By the way, it will also do images for you on here as far as the blog goes. And I'm going to show you the actual blog that this the software is going to do, which is pretty exciting. It's been less than a minute and a half right now, and it's already spinning the article and adding the image to it. It's going into my blog right now, and it's going ahead and getting access to that. You do put in your information for your blog directly into the software. That's part of the setup process, and then it will go ahead and post to your blog. But like I said, this is not meant to replace you blogging 100%. This is meant to help you to blog when you don't have the time and don't have the inspiration to go ahead and do it for yourself. If you do, and you do have an option here to set this EM Power Tool Submitter up so that it will blog automatically for you once every 24 to 27 hours. I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't recommend just doing that. I want you to get into your own blog and write what your passion is. But man, what a tool to be able to utilize to make your blogging efforts more automatic. And that's what we all want. We all want this business to be an automatic business. And with this EM Power Tool Submitter, you can do that, and you can have that ability to write your own blog. The assistance of this amazing tool that will actually write it for you. So it successfully is logged into my my account, and it is getting the blog posted, which is pretty awesome and amazing. When I first found out about this software, I was blown away. Blown away that it had something out there that could do this, because to tell you the truth, guys, I'm not a great writer. I'm not a great blogger. It's adding my posts right now. That's pretty amazing. But I am a marketer, and I'm a leader, and I am somebody that that definitely makes it happen. But blogging has not been my strong suit, and if blogging isn't your strong suit, you know how important it is, because it will bring in leads. There is no doubt. There has been proven that you do your blog, and it will bring you leads and bring you business. But the point is that some of us are better at it. That some of us have that skill set better than others. So now you can see that it's adding the article and the tags and the title, and it's putting it all together, and it's putting it up on your blog here for you. But I'm blown away. Like I said, it's probably one of the best tools that I've seen in the blogging industry in a long time. So I am very excited about having this, and about you having it, because it can simplify what you're doing, and that's the most exciting part. All right, and the article has been successfully posted. Excited to bring that to you here, as it says 8/26/2013 at 1954. So you know exactly what time that I'm doing this. Cool beans. So that's awesome. The internet is a little bit slow, but we are going to bring it up. Here it is, just posted, as you see, 8/27/2013, and this is the blog post. Here it comes up. Are we going to see it? Yes, we are. Here we go. Again, apologize that the internet is a little bit slower than I'd like it to be here this evening. But here is my my brand new blog. Forge your own path through life with these helpful leadership tips. And it is written in probably better English than I could write, guys. Finding out what is required of a true leader is an essential aspect of living life to its fullest. So this is something that I would write, because, like I said, I am a personal development guy. I really enjoy the personal development and the business side. So this is a written blog that's on my site right now from this software. How amazing is that? It was done in less than 5 minutes by my counter, and you have the ability to do exactly the same thing yourself. And again, make sure that you understand that you can go through and have this system and have this program do exactly what I just showed you. You can have it do exactly the same thing after you set it up as I did, where you can have a blog created within 5 minutes just by putting 2 keywords in. So I am extraordinarily excited. You've seen proof of it right here in this video. It's a no-brainer. It really is. The time that it has saved me is, my time is worth so much more than the cost of this tool. So what my recommendation is for you is to click on the button below. If you have a button on the website, go ahead and click on that. Get this as soon as possible. Make sure that you understand that, again, this is a tool, just like other tools in your toolbox, that can help you in doing your daily activities with this business. It's not a replacement, but it is an amazing tool that can change, in my opinion, your business if you allow it to, and if you'll use it just like any other tool. So click the link down below in the little footer there that I'm sure is in the email or on the website. And if you have any questions, I want to assist you, and there's a great support here for you as well from the company. So anything that I can do, I would love to see you using this product and making sure that you are posting your blogs every single day. You can do it 5 minutes and you have your own blog. And like I said, next post is scheduled 24 to 27 hours. It's going to post another one for me. So that's awesome. Once again, Jason signing off. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Appreciate you all, and go get the software. It's amazing. Bye for now.